Hey guys, the Buddhist chef here. Today we're gonna make my go-to vegan chocolate chips cookie recipe. These vegan chocolate chips cookies are everything you could ever want in a recipe. They're soft, sweet, chewy, and delicious. Let's do it! In a bowl, we're gonna add 1 cup of vegan butter, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm gonna beat it. I can afford to eat cookies because I go to the gym. I go to the gym 2 to 3 times a month. Sometimes before going to bed I tell myself, starting tomorrow I go to the gym every day. Then the next day, maybe I'll go once a week. Let's add 1/4 cup of soy milk. Any plant-based milk will do. There you go. Alright, we're gonna set it aside. In another bowl, we're gonna add 2 cups of flour. 1 cup, 2 cups. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And half a teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna mix it. Alright, now for the chocolate. I like big chunks of chocolates in my cookies. So I'm gonna use 70% cacao chocolate that I'm gonna chop up with my knife. There you go. We're gonna set it aside. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients into our wet mixture. And we're gonna mix it. Perfect. Let's add our chocolate. Wow. I went to a yoga class the other day. Did you know some people can actually touch their toes? Downward dog, upward dog, you know what I like? Sleeping dog. Okay, we're gonna make our cookies. We're gonna take a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and an ice cream scoop. We're gonna bake them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Alright guys, I think it's ready. Guys, if you've been looking for the perfect vegan chocolate chips cookies recipe, your search is over. Soft, chewy, sweet and delicious. I'm gonna have to try one. Oh boy. Wow. It's perfect. I'm the Buddhist chef. See you soon guys for another vegan recipe.